Welcome to my website. I'm a retired general practitioner based in Finchley, North London, specialising in integrative medicine and vegatesting. Integrative medicine identifies and treats the causes of health deterioration and, unlike conventional medicine, does not attempt to suppress symptoms with toxic pharmaceutical drugs. Causes of health deterioration include dental mercury poisoning, environmental toxicity, electromagnetic radiation, chronic infection, weak immune systems, nutritional deficiencies, food intolerances, allergies, and above all, stress, which can be physical, chemical, and psychological. Too much stress causes the adrenal glands to produce pathogenic hormones that underlie stress-related illnesses. Integrative treatment is naturopathic and selected from ranges of homeopathic, herbal and nutritional preparations. Vegatesting, which is based on electronic bioresonance technology, was pioneered in Germany over 50 years ago. Modern computerized devices are currently used by doctors and health practitioners throughout mainland Europe. How it works is explained in this website under the header Vegatesting. My interest in vegatesting began in 1981 while I was an NHS general practitioner. A patient with very high blood pressure had not been helped by conventional treatment. He had consulted several medical specialists whose prescriptions caused migraines and difficulty breathing while failing to lower his blood pressure. The high blood pressure eventually responded to treatment for dental mercury poisoning from a vegatesting doctor collaborating with a mercury-free dentist. Now, over 37 years later, he is still in reasonable health, and I recently went to his 87th birthday party. I was so impressed by this unorthodox approach to treating high blood pressure that I attended several courses on vegatesting and studied for a diploma in modern homeopathy. Eventually, I used vegatest technology on a few patients who were not getting on with conventional treatment. For example, a little boy with severe epilepsy had been so heavily sedated that he was like a little zombie. With vegatesting and rod dowsing, I identified a band of harmful earth radiation passing through his bed. Once his bed had been safely relocated, he was able to stop his conventional sedatives and become a normal, healthy, playful little fellow. A girl with chronic diarrhea was diagnosed as a local hospital with celiac disease and put on a gluten-free diet for life. Her mother brought her along to see me for a second opinion. With vegatesting, she was found to have a treatable microparasitic intestinal infection. Now, over 30 years later, she is still well and on an unrestricted diet. Since then, I've found that treatable microparasitic intestinal infections can be implicated in so-called irritable bowel syndrome. Recently, I treated a seriously ill boy who was off school with giddy spells, depression, and painful skin rashes. 5 hospital consultants have been unable to help him. Between them, they had prescribed 4 courses of antibiotics, which his mother said worsened his condition, and one specialist even declared that the rashes were self-inflicted. With vegatesting, I identified Lyme disease as the cause of his poor health, and this was confirmed with a conventional blood test. Lyme disease is a tick-transmitted bacterial infection that is liable to be antibiotic resistant. He made a full recovery with naturopathic treatment selected under vegatest control, and the case history is summarised in this website in the section headed Case Histories. A few months ago with vegatesting, I diagnosed mercury toxicity in a lady at an empty tooth socket that had an overlying bluish skin discoloration. This was odd, as generally with mercury poisoning, there are conspicuous metallic dental fillings with associated high voltages. To be on the safe side, I advised her to consult a mercury-free dentist. He eventually emailed me to commend me on my accurate diagnosis of non-visible mercury amalgam, since, as a result of surgical exploration, a lump of dental amalgam had been found buried beneath her gum. Most people who attend here have chronic health problems that have not responded to conventional or to complementary medical treatment, and some people come here for vegatest checkups for health optimization. Information on mercury poisoning, earth radiation, irritable bowel syndrome, autoimmune disease, Crohn's disease, celiac disease, high blood pressure, and some other medical conditions is available on this website under the header Conditions and Treatments. Thank you for visiting my website and for watching this video.